yonder going to the Sun Road in Montana, US of A, the start of it, and the sun is threatening to come out, as you can see, but over yonder way it's pretty clear, so it should be good. Bikes are running good, no dramas so far, touch wood. Kev's contemplating helmet or no helmet in the no helmet state.
It's a bit too cold.
Yeah. He's got his wrist jobby on, which looks pretty cool. That's smart, that. I'll have to get myself one of them. And we're going up. Obviously we're going to stop at every nice looking place, we can get a photo, etc, etc, up to Logan's Pass. Unfortunately the other side of Logan's Pass is shut because of the wildfires, which is a bummer, but you know, we're going to have to come back down this amazing road. Hey ho, we live and learn. See you in a bit.
The sun's threatening to come through.
It is, yeah. Oh, clear over there, oh look. Wow, going to the Sun Road. Hopefully we are going to the sun. Stunning. Next stop, over there. We are at the top of, what's it called again? Going to the Sun Road, a place called Logan's Pass, which is, I mean, the views out here are amazing. I mean, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, and a little bit nippy. All good though, and I don't even know how to turn this around. Fuck knows. But anyway, so we're at the top of Logan's Pass. Come quite high up, to be fair. In a glacier. Yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna go get a brew, I think. Hey Kev, we'll get a brew. Absolutely stunning, but we'll see. See more in a bit. See you in a bit. Check this, man. Thought we'd stop for a wee photo because this is something else, man. This view is spectacular, as you can see. Check that out. Woo! Going to the Sun Road, Glacier National Park, Montana. Amazing. audio Ranieri. We are about an hour and 10 minutes apparently away from Whitefish. It's all good, man. It's up a nice little van. Pretty cool. Whitefish, Montana last night. We stayed at the, what's this called again?
Whitefish.
No, the fucking hotel.
Stumpy,
The Stumpy fucking Inn or something like that. And as you can see, we've went back in time to the 80s. Check the phone out, man. Look. You can imagine, like, I don't know, fucking it's off one of them films, like Inspector Gadget or some shit. But anyway, it's not too bad. Served the purpose, i.e. a bed. However, camping tonight though, night number 2.5/3. Camping tonight, either Toad Rock Campground, motorcycle campground in BC, Canada, or the Riders Ranch motorcycle campground in BC, Canada. Either way, we're going to be up and around that area up there, so it's all good. I'll give you a little review later of either one of them. But yeah, Whitefish is nice town. You'll see some of the footage later. Break. Where are we? Libby? Is it Libby? In a place called Libby, Montana still. Sun's out now, man. It's about 22, 24 degrees roughly, with my amazing knowledge of weather. T-shirt weather now, really. So we're going to crack on for about another, what was it, 3 hours? 3 hours and a bit? 3 hours and a bit north, back into Canada, into BC, and then onwards to Toad Rock Campground, Toad Rock motorcycle campground, via a ferry across some big lake, so I'm sure you'll see that shortly. That was a nice ride though, eh? Got anything to say, Kev?
No.
He's a man of many words. Bikes are doing well, day 2.5.3, all good. See you shortly. So, we're just about to enter Georgia, as you can see, on our long road trip to Texas, via Florida and Washington State. Not. Idaho, on the US number two, which is this wonderful road here through the mountains. I think it's like through the Kootenai Forest, and up to the Kootenai River and along the Kootenai River, etc., up to the Canadian border, as we know. But the ride so far has been fantastic. You've seen the footage clearly. You reckon? Good that way. So onwards and upwards to Idaho. Woo! sit in the cars like this is an everyday thing for them. So this is the Kootenay Lake ferry going over to Balfour in BC. We're going to go to Throwback Campground, which is that way. Somewhere. Yeah. We've been to this is stunning. Absolutely amazing. Amazing. Balfour, BC. Which is there. Hopefully there's a cash machine, otherwise we're sitting on the side of the road.
Well, Saturday we'll be able to go
But we'll see. That's the life, you know. Look at these geezers on jet skis. Told you, man of many words. So this is our little campsite in Throwback Campground, BC. Rock and roll. Does the job. Bikes are there. Baby is there. And we now wander to the social area to see what that's like. See you shortly. So the morning after the night before, a bit rough, but this place is great, man. Absolutely fantastic. Throwback Campground in British Columbia, just shy of a place called Balfour, which is about 3k down the road. But I think it's like $25 a night for camping if you're on your own, and $14 extra for an extra person. You can either stay in on one of the sites like what we have, or you can stay in like, they've got like outhouses, like a shack. They've got old VW Beetle wagons, you can hire them out as well. You can stay in them. You can stay in a big fucking huge bus if you want. All part of the camping experience, man. Check it out. You can stay in there if you wanted to. Great. Another wee bus down there you can stay in. There's a boat over there somewhere. Yeah, it's great, man. Loads of dogs and stuff around. There's a pig. Not yet. I've not seen the pig yet. Yeah, you can stay in the old bus, man. Check it out. Yeah, I've not seen the pig yet. want to see the pig. Apparently it's a friendly pig. So we'll see. But yeah, like, see the boat in the distance over there. You can stay in a boat if you want. It's just mint. Yeah, it's gleaming, man. This place is ace. So if you're ever passing through here, you've got to come and stay here. So we done one night last night, and we're going to do probably, we're a little bit rough today, so we're going to go look at some salmon that are spawning up the river, and then do a loop around back to here and just take an easy day today. We've done a bit of riding, so take it easy. So yeah, so we'll see you shortly. Hey man, we found the pig. We proper found the pig, look. Hello. Hello, dude. Hello. Hello. Check him out, man, he's huge. Come on then. Come on. Come and see, Kev. Come on then. Come on. I told you there was a pig. Come on, dude. Come over here. Come on. Come on in. So we're at Toad Rock Campground in BC, and there's a big pig knocking round. His name's Happy. Alright, dude. Hey, alright, hello. Oh, pig's a mental, man. No, how can he not see? Wow. Yeah, so there's a pig and there's like 5 dogs and shit, so this place is ace. Check it out, man. You can stay in the cabins over there, you can stay in the VW wagon, you can stay in the big bus thing. Oh, it's on the move, look. Mate, he's wagging his tail like a dog. This is ace. I love this place, man. So yeah, you can, there's our little setup. But yeah, and there's a pig right there. Toad Rock Campground, man, BC. That's what it's all about. We've come to a little Redfish Creek, it's called, to watch the salmon come up the river. And guess what, man? They're actually here. Check it out. See them, all red. When you go down there, look, there's some more there. There's probably some more down there as well. So there you go, fish. Woo! So there you go, look, you can see the fish. So we're salmon watching, and you can actually see the fish. Look! Wow, look at them! Look how red they are! How fucking cool is this, Kev? Fuck yeah, man! We found salmon. Gleaming. Look at that. Fuck yeah, that's what they do. Eh? They must do. Look at this. Fucking amazing, this, mate, isn't it? Ah, I need my stick. I can put my stick in my fucking thing in the water. That's waterproof, isn't it? Oh, there we go, look. Oh, look, he's come back down, look. He can't get over that bit. Whoa, look at that guy. So we're literally in the middle of the woods where all the bears are, and there's bear shit over there, bear shit over there. There's like all eating salmon everywhere. And there's bits like this where they flatten down and stuff. So what the fuck? So if there's a bear, we'll see if we can get it on camera. But this place is mental. It's like the fucking birds, isn't that scene? Alfred Hitchcock, the birds. Here's the salmon. He's dead. I haven't caught a live one, obviously. Yeah, man. This guy here, look, he's fucked. Come on, man. Come on, swim. There you go, swim. Uh-oh. Out. Wow. Can't be a salmon. Bear poo. Haven't seen one yet, so however, did catch a salmon. You fucker. So we just stopped in a little town, villagey type place called Silverton in BC, and just look at this, man, it's absolutely spectacular here. I mean, look how clear that water is. Jesus Christ. It's obviously all, well, we fish there, it's all smoky and stuff from the fires. The smoke's just lying. Amazing, absolutely fucking amazing, pardon my French. This is stunning, mate, huh? Yeah. Absolutely amazing. Look. Oldest intact passenger steam vessel of its type left in the world. Cool. The SS Moy in a little town called Casler or some shit. Caslow, there you go. Yeah, so there you go, this is a little beach in Keslow in BC, British Columbia. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. There's that big boat thing. This is the life, man, isn't it? Hey, imagine living like this. Never get bored of this, ever. Wow. One day, maybe one day. So this was at the end of the 31A, which is one of the top 10 roads in Canada to ride your bike on, apparently. So again, it's absolutely stunning. The road was amazing. You've seen the footage, and this is a good place to grab a coffee at the end of the road. Day 4. So that's it, man. We're leaving Toadrock, BC. Toadrock Motorcycle Campground in BC, and it's been a blast, man. It's been really cool. Some of the roads around here are fantastic. Yeah, and now we're going to go back up on the 31A, back up into Alberta. Tents are all away. We're all packed, good to go. Just going to grab a coffee, and then we're going to go and have some brekkie in the nearest town, which is called Caslow, I think, where the boat thing was yesterday. Well, yeah, man, if you're passing through here, or you need a cool place to go for a ride, man, you're near BC, Toadrock Campground, sort of bottom end of BC, near, around Kootenay Lake. You got to come here, it's great. It's really good. So yeah, so onwards and upwards, Alberta next. See ya. that killed us, we can fucking crack on. I fucking come off there, mate. I was like, I just took my foot off the brake. I was like, oh fuck, I'm still going. And I ended up in there. You obviously never came off as well, clearly.
Huh?
Did you nearly fucking have a death wobble?
No, as soon as I heard, I just fucking left it off, like, and it fucking. Well, I was pleased you were fucking pulled over, like, because I wasn't slowing down.
Fuck's sake. At least you know you fucking how far you can get it now till it locks up. So, we are on the Highway 3 of British Columbia. We've been going now for about 40 k's. About 40 k's ago, the road went from road to fucking track. So now we've been going, like I said, for 40 kilometres now on a dirt track in the back arse of BC. Fuck knows when we're going to get off the dirt track and back to tarmac, but we're doing not too bad, man. So the sights have been amazing, stunning sight, and do you know what, I'm actually glad we came this way. Really am. It's a big butterfly, but you know, shit like this, man. But yeah, it's been stunning so far. The only drama is I don't know how long this is going to go on for now. It is what it is. It's an adventure, man. The dirt road of hell continues. So we're still in the battle at the back of Buckfuck nowhere. Still. But Oh well, onwards and upwards. Hopefully we'll find fucking either gravel, not gravel, there's fucking second gravel, either pavement or a town where, oh, do you know what we could do? We've got beer with us, haven't we? We can crack a beer and just...
Drinking beer and driving on that shit.
Let's just get fucked up. Just get minging in the middle of nowhere. Well, hey ho. We carry on, man. Hopefully it's not half far now, because fuck me. As stunning as it is, and it is stunning, it's starting to hurt now. So we need to get there. Having my ass red raw and sore is completely fucking worth it when you come across something like this. Absolutely stunning. Just amazing. What? Kidding me? So we got 61 more k's of gravel. Oh, 61 k's of gravel. Shit. Here, man. Are you kidding? Oh. Oh. Oh well. Do you know what, mate? It's worth it for shit like this. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. So there you heard it. You heard it first here. Kev at News at 10. 61 more k's of fucking gravel. That means if we go at least 60k an hour, we'll be there in an hour. Ain't gonna happen. Look how clear that bloody water is.
We're averaging 30 to 40k an hour though.
At least another hour and a half, man, of this. Oh, this is gonna fuck me up. I need it. It's amazing, isn't it? So there you go. 61 more k's. But like I said, it's worth every fucking minute of this because, I mean, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Oh well, rock and roll. Dear man who decided this was a highway, a Canadian highway association. This is not a highway, it's a mountain path. Check it out. 14:05 hours. We made it fucking across the road of death. Eventually 100 k's, sort of gravel, dirt track. Man, it was hard going. But like, you know, we're at the ferry port now. So we're here waiting on the ferry, which is in half an hour or so. Yeah, man. So thankfully we actually got here. So we've got to go across the other side now onto Revelstoke. So the Highway 3, if you ever do it in BC, Highway 3, come up towards this way, towards Revelstoke and stuff, and just be aware it turns into 100 k's of basically a mountain road, as you've seen. So yeah. Oh, there's a big fish there, man. But next stop is the other side of there, over yonder. BC, stunning. Here comes the ferry. There comes the ferry. Getting on that, going across.
I don't know if this is true, but every time I look back on the years, I feel like I wasted my youth. How did I get so cold? How do I wind up every single day going through this life all alone? When am I gonna change? smile